So let's say that you have a video that you want to turn into slow motion. In that case, you can utilize a magic tool called super slow motion. So to access that, you need to go around under magic tools from your home page and then click on super slow motion right here. So once you do that, you can go around and upload out your footage. So I'm going to go around onto my desktop where I have this footage right here, and I'm going to go around and click on open. So you can see that this is the video that you have right here, and then you can see that if I were to go around and press the play button, this is the speed right now. You can also mute the video, as you can see, and if you want, you can go around and decrease out the speed as you like. So let's say I want this at 0.2x of speed right here. I can also go around and keep it at normal, but this is what I want. So I really want to make it slow. So I'm going to click on generate over here, and then what happens is that it analyzes the video over here and then will generate a slow motion for it. It does take a bit of time because it's a video, but that is normal. So you can see that it is analyzing out the video right here based on the speed that we chose, and is generating a slow motion out of the video that we uploaded. And it's almost complete now, as you can see right here. It's almost to the end. And once it is completed, then you'll get the slow motion version of the video right here. So it is taking a bit of time because the video length is quite long as well. So it's around 19 seconds, and that is why it does take a bit of time for it to process. But anyways, you can see that it is generating out right there. And now it's loading, and the slow motion is here now. So if I were to go around and press the play button, you will be able to see the slow motion right here. It's not perfect, but you can see that it tried to analyze the video and tried to smooth out the video in some places. So if the video is too noisy, so it's not really being able to produce a slow motion version of it right here, but in some places you can see that the frames are quite smooth. If there's less moving object right here, you can see that the smoothness is added in. Actually, the frames are generated for the video right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the super slow motion feature right here. So you can see that as I press the play button, you can see that the video starts off quite smooth right here, but when there's too much noise, it can't handle it as of now. But in some places, you can see that it really makes it smooth. So that is how you can utilize the super slow motion option inside of CapCut in Magic Tools. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe